You are an Epicure ambassador and your new business kit just arrived. Let's take a peek inside. That's right, today's the day that your epic life begins. We've got some awesome literature for you to check out. Our most famous cheese dip, the extraordinary cheese dip, and all the seasonings to make this multiple times. We've got our most popular gluten-free baking mix, the banana bread. And what are you going to use to cook it in? That's right, the rectangular steamer. We've got a bundle of catalogs. We have our mac and cheese, which is our give back product. Every time a customer purchases mac and cheese, Epicure gives a meal to families in need. We've got the Mexican meal kit. Think guacamole, taco, salsa. We've got recipes on all the jars, plus 5 printed recipe cards for you to make the most delicious Mexican fiesta with your friends. And there you go. You have everything you need to get your business up and running and start making money by referring and sharing a product that you love.